Hey guys, Chuck Earls here. I'm standing here with Cal, and we're talking about these cool connectors, the Connect E's, and the wiring harnesses they make. The cool thing about this, you hook it up to your trolling motor battery or your electronics battery. You already have the fuses built in. And then at the end of the day, when you want to pull your battery out of your system, you just simply pull the connectors apart. You take this with your battery into the house, and you can charge it easily without having to unscrew terminals or anything like that. So I'm going to give Cal a chance to kind of break this stuff down and walk you through everything that they have to offer.
We've got a whole line of connections for kayaks, boats, ice fishing type stuff. Our latest is what we call the ICAST Pro. It's actually a system that you can run wire from your back end battery up to your electronics in the front. This one actually has 4. We have about 3 or 4 models. They have 3 connections up to 6 connections that we can actually run wire. The 6 connection one has 8 gauge wire. The 3 gauge has 10 gauge wire. It's all sheathed, so it runs through the kayak really easy. It connects up to our Connect-E system like this after you fish it through the hulls and stuff. Snaps in, and then it snaps into our battery scenario like this, so you can actually run that. And then we also have a couple different products that actually are just standard for smaller batteries. If you're using the spade type batteries, we've got them for the spade type batteries. Or we've got one system that actually runs a kayak and your electronics trolling motor off of one battery if you choose to do so. And then there's also one that's just for electronics only if you have the battery in the front, or the ICAST Pro that I was just telling you about right here. So we've got a complete scenario basically made so that you can fish more and rig less. It's a one time only. You put it in once, it stays in once. It makes battery management, power management easier, and it's guaranteed to work. We love to fish, and I like to see you on the water more than fighting with electronics or rigging, so we make it easy for you.
And where can they find your products?
They can find our product on connect-ease.com. We've got it online. You can find it at Bass Pro, Cabela's has it, Shields has it, Amazon, of course, all over the internet. There's quite a few ways to purchase the product, or you can purchase it directly from us. If you ever need a custom solution or something that's just for a particular scenario, we do make custom solutions for a lot of people, so all you got to do is let us know, give us the dimensions and what you're trying to accomplish, and we'll fix it for you.
Awesome.
Want that back.
So this makes everything so much easier. You don't have to bring it to me or somebody like me that's going to run wires and everything through your kayak. You can just get their simple wiring harness, their simple connectors, and just make your life so much easier. That way you spend more time on the water.